is Naveen Scala, and today I'm going to be talking about the Montgomery Virtual Academy. The Montgomery Virtual Academy comes from Montgomery County, Maryland, and it was created shortly after the pandemic in 2020 through 2021. So below here I have the school mission statement. Some keywords that I took from it was inclusivity, wanting to meet the individual needs of all students, and wanting learners to excel. Some of the core values of the Montgomery virtual program is innovation, wellness, engagement, and excellence. Here is the organizational structure of the school. So this is just an example from the elementary level. So there is a dean, you have your admin, your main office, your grade level teachers that teach the content, your specialists that teach music, art, PE, etc., academic intervention, ESOL, counseling, special education, and staff development. This can vary from depending on what grade level you're teaching. So, for example, middle school would look a little bit different, as would high school. So again, just looking at the elementary level, this is what a typical day would look like for the students in this virtual academy. They would log in, instruction starts at 9 a.m. They have their break at 11:40 and they end the day at 3:25. So looking at what this academy offers, so they offer accelerated and honored courses, clubs, extracurricular activities, and instructional experiences where students can take advantage of expanded learning opportunities and experiences. One thing that I thought was really cool is that they also provide opportunities for accelerated and advanced courses that may not be available in their home school. So if there is a particular class that cannot be offered in their home school, maybe due to staffing or just availability, they have the opportunity to take it somewhere else, which I thought was really amazing. So the student body, on the website, it did mention that students are still able to participate in activities and sports and clubs at their home schools. And of course, students have the opportunity to collaborate with their classmates, whether it's during the class or offline as well. So about their website, I am actually just going to go ahead and take us to the website just to get a better understanding of what it looks like. So one thing I do want to note about this website is that all K through 12 share the same site, and I will show you exactly what that means in just a moment. So here on the home page, they have an introduction video, they have their news and announcements, upcoming events right over here, general school information, schedules, and quick links. This daily schedule and the quick links are actually on every page. Any page you click to, it'll be right there. Here on the application section, you just have, they talk about, how to apply to the academy. They give some information about what they offer as well and instructions on where to go. And then in the About Us section, they just talk about their mission statement and what it's all about and what their goals are, as well as location and office hours, things like that. Their media center takes you to a separate link that provides all K through 12 with resources they might need, so quick links and programs and applications that they can use to enhance their learning. And then just to show you an example of what I mean, so going to, for example, elementary school daily schedule. So this takes you to the elementary level, what their day would look like. And then if you go back, they have middle school, high school, etc. So everything there's in this virtual academy, there's one elementary school, one middle school, one high school, and they all share the same website, but they have different links that can take you to specific areas. But it is just one school per like one elementary, one middle, one high school. So being able to navigate this website was fairly easy for me, but I did, however, ask someone that I know to look at the website themselves because they were actually wanting to enroll their student into a virtual academy, and I asked them to take a look and tell me what they thought of the website, and they thought that it was informative and easy to navigate. However, they were left with many questions. They did want, after reading everything, they did want to speak to an actual person to get information and more explanations. They were wondering like just the specifics, like how much work would be asynchronous or synchronous, what type of materials are provided from the school. They noticed that there is a wait list for the amount of people that can be admitted, so they were wondering like how many seats there were and things like that. So he did mention that there was a lot of information, but he was still left with many questions, which I thought was important to note. I also had the opportunity to interview a fifth grade teacher who works there. I was able to ask her some questions about her experience and what it's been like working at this virtual academy. So, this is her second year working there. And she said she personally likes it a lot because of the flexibility. She also mentioned that like a lot of the structure is very similar to brick and mortar schools as well. Of course, minus the physical transitions and some of the other obstacles that you come up with when you're in person. But she said it really did mimic just how a regular school day would look. She did mention that in order for students to be successful, parents had to be involved and they almost had to be like a coach to their child. And that students also need to be motivated to work because not everything is done synchronously. So they would have to put in the work, put in the time to complete the material. And she also mentioned that some of the challenges that she faces is that a lot of times it's hard to get parents to coach their child or to actively be there to support the child's learning, which I also thought was significant. So, kind of just looking at, I was looking online at some, articles or some other places that talk about the Montgomery Virtual Academy, and I did stumble upon a parent teacher council. So, their mission statement is to build community and provide students and parents, teachers, and staff within the Montgomery County Virtual Academy community, which I thought was really interesting. I'm not quite sure how involved they are with the academy and exactly what it is that they do, but I was very intrigued to find that they had their own parent teacher council. And I also heard of pods, so that is where students within the virtual academy might work together or they might be in the same location, you know, for the school day to kind of support each other and for the parents to support the children at the same time as well, which I thought was pretty neat. And yeah, thank you so much. Here are my references, the Virtual Academy Parent Teacher Council here, and the Virtual Academy website. Thank you so much.